Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Maricel here. I hope everyone is well, and for those new here, hi, nice to meet you. My name is Maricel. So in today's video, we are going to make this recipe. It's the Ginisang Monggo. I did my Mung Bean last year, I believe, but I always love to use coconut milk. But this time, this is just a plain one, so igigisa lang natin. So here's our ingredients. I soaked this Mung Bean overnight. So as you can see, it's kind of double up the size now, but this is only 1 cup. So I have a medium size of chicken breast in here, and then we do need a soy sauce. We need fish sauce. I have a big 1 piece of tomato in here. It's a big size. And then we do need ginger. It's almost 2 thumbs of the size of this ginger we have here. 5 cloves of garlic, so it's minced garlic. And then a minced onion, we need that. This is only optional. I like to use a chicken cube for additional taste, and of course salt and pepper to taste. So okay, let's get started. Alright mga loves, when I first let it simmer for 30 minutes, I only add a 2 cups of water, but I had it prepare a 2.5 cups of water, and since it absorbed all of that water earlier, I just went ahead add on the additional half cup of water, and this is how it looks like right now. And I am going to put a fish sauce, like 2 teaspoons of that. This is equivalent to 1 tablespoon. So, but again, I'm going to taste this. I know I mentioned earlier salt and pepper to taste, but if salt is not needed anymore, then I am not going to, because we already put, you know, the knorr cubes. We put the 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Now I'm trying to taste this right now. Actually, I need a little bit of salt, so I'm gonna add like 1/2 teaspoon of salt, like that. And I'm not going to put a lot more of fish sauce. I like when there's a lot of fish sauce kung may gata, but I'm not going to. And I forgot to mention that also we will be needing spinach. This is the vegetable that I'm gonna be using for this recipe. But of course, a choice of your vegetable, it's up to you. You can use malunggay, you can use dahon ng sili or dahon ng ampalaya, and you can even add on or use squash for this, kalabasa, and then green beans. So it's up to you. So now I am going to let this simmer one more time for another 5 minutes, and that's the time we're gonna add on the spinach. And last but not the least, I am going to use chicharon, but this will be the last one when it's ready to serve. Alright mga loves, 5 minutes is up. It's time to put our spinach. Yeah, mas masarap siya. It's a lot better when you add more vegetable in this kind of dish, but I only have spinach available. So, after putting all these green leafy vegetable, I am going to put back on the lid and just let it simmer for another couple minutes kasi madali lang naman maluto. Spinach is very easy to cook, and we're gonna put the chicharon last. Alright loves, this should be ready. I actually end up simmering it for another 3 minutes, and then now we can top our chicharon, and this is ready to serve. So here's the finished products mga love. It's very easy to make and very healthy. I hope you try this at home. I know a lot of you guys knows how to make this, but I just want to show you my version of how to make Ginisang Monggo. So I hope you learned from this video today, and if you did like it, give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe and like. That means a lot to me, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye! Alright loves, it's taste time. Here it is. I'm gonna pick some chicken. I'm sorry, it's still hot. Lasang Pinoy talaga, panlasang Pinoy. That's it.